Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor in WordPress. Elementor is a fantastic visual page builder that empowers you to create stunning websites without writing any code. First, you will need to install and activate the Elementor plugin from your WordPress dashboard. This simple step opens up a world of design possibilities for your site. Once Elementor is active, open a new or existing page and click Edit with Elementor. This launches the intuitive builder interface. On the left, you will find a panel with numerous widgets. Simply drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, or buttons onto your page. Then, use the panel to customize their appearance and content to fit your vision. To create more complex layouts, utilize sections and columns to organize your content effectively. Elementor offers over 100 widgets, from basic text to advanced carousels, allowing for rich functionality. You can also set global styles for fonts and colors, ensuring a cohesive and professional look throughout your entire WordPress website with minimal effort. Before publishing, always preview your page on different devices to ensure it looks perfect everywhere. Elementor allows you to save your meticulously crafted designs as templates, saving you valuable time on future projects. Once satisfied, simply click the Publish or Update button at the bottom to bring your beautiful new page to life for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.